Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are doing a clean with me. So I did a bunch of cleaning, and then if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I showed you how I make a DIY body butter. So it's this like super luxurious body butter that's so good for dry skin. I usually make this for all of the women in my life for like Christmas and their birthdays, and I've never shared the recipe because it was like my coveted secret recipe, but now I have a YouTube channel, so I have to tell you guys all my secrets.
You wanna leave behind, get all those cold eyes cold looking, but say bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away.
This is the first time that my new master bedroom has made an appearance in a cleaning video, and I'm literally so obsessed with it. Like, I just keep watching these clips and I'm like, wow, it looks so good. So if you haven't checked out my last video, that was where I showed you guys pretty quickly just our master bedroom makeover and the before and after, so definitely go check that out if you haven't already seen it.
Under my tattoos, there's a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know, there's a remedy, yeah, there's a remedy, oh no, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya, I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do.
I'm still loving my spin mop. It seriously does such a good job, especially on my kitchen floors, because I can get it like decently wet, and it really just does a really great job at picking everything up, and it goes under like my cabinets and under my fridge really well.
Baby, I do wanna stay here and let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. 'Cause I do. Deep down and in those eyes, think I have memorized, oh, every single flare inside your burning stare. Just wanna be inside, keep dancing in your mind. You'll be my nighttime Valentine. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the.
I also just want to tell you guys about these jeans that I'm wearing. So they're from American Eagle, and they're actually the curvy super high-rise jeans. And I'm definitely not like the curviest person, as you guys can tell, but I do carry most of my weight in like my thighs and my butt. So it's really nice to have like some curvy jeans that fit really well. So if you carry weight in the same kind of areas, I would definitely check out these jeans. Okay, so for the body butter, the ingredients that we're using is coconut oil, grapeseed oil, shea butter, a little bit of beeswax, and then I'm using grapefruit essential oil because that's really good for cellulite. So first you're gonna take half a cup of coconut oil, and you're putting it in like a double boiler situation. So I just have a little bit of water in the bottom of this pot and then a bowl on top, and then a half a cup of shea butter, a tablespoon of grapeseed oil, sorry, and then I'm just grating the beeswax, and I would say there's probably about 2 tablespoons of it, and I'm going to put that in there as well, and I'll put all of the ingredients and a description on how to make it in the description box. So yeah, you're just going to melt all that stuff together over the double boiler.
I really want to make you mine.
Keep stirring it lots and kind of like smush those shea butter chunks against the side to get it all to melt together. The more you stir it, the faster it will melt together.
Oh, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one?
Okay, once it's all melted, you're gonna take it off the heat, and then you're actually gonna put it in the fridge before you add the essential oils. Because you don't want to add the essential oils when it's hot, so put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm adding about 30 drops of grapefruit essential oil. You can also use like whatever you want. If you're using this at night, I would use like lavender and cedarwood. You can add literally any oils that you want to. And then I'm just using a hand mixer to quickly blend it up. And then I'm going to put it back in the fridge again for 20 minutes.
Surrounding me, baby. I'm sure we lost track of time.
Okay, so after 20 minutes, it's going to be slightly hardened, and then that's the perfect time to whip it with your hand mixer, and it'll whip up kind of like the consistency of icing.
You give me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside I'm
Okay, so now I'm just transferring it into a jar and then it's all good to go and good to use. So that's all I have for you guys in this video today. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos on this channel every single week on cleaning motivation and homemaking, and I like to do essential oil DIYs as well. So if you like that kind of stuff, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. Thanks for watching.